Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix schedule option not showing on Instagram. So a lot of people don't even know what the schedule option means, but I'm going to do that. So it's when you actually want to post something on your Instagram, maybe a post, and let's just use this one for example, and you click on next and you finish editing and the rest of that, click on next again, and here is where the schedule is going to show. So when you click on more option, you can see the schedule right here, schedule this post. So you can actually schedule the posts. Branded content feature and product tags can't be used in schedule content. So that's something you're supposed to know. What it means is that branded content features and product tags can't be used in scheduled content. So why you're going to do the post is actually because maybe you don't want to post it now, but later you can just put on the assignment and the rest of that. So how are you going to fix it when you're not seeing the schedule font, your schedule this post? First thing you have to do is go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for Instagram. And once you click on Instagram, you're going to see updates. If you still have an update, click on update and update the app. So once you update the app, you come back to the app and refresh it, and you're going to start, and you're going to see the schedule posts option. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. This is my next video. Bye.